Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be installing these 6-inch Nerf bars on the 2019 Silverado. Now, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll link it up top here somewhere. We fell out of the truck, fell into a rut, messed up my ankle pretty bad. Now, I was trying to wait to get some amp research steps. Don't have the money right now. We went on eBay, found these for about 160 bucks. So until we can get those amp research steps, we're gonna run these 6-inch biggest Nerf bars I've ever ran. Alrighty guys, we're under the truck here. With the 2019, we have pre-threaded holes on the rocker panel on all 3 locations. So we're gonna directly bolt this on. Alrighty guys, we have the steps on. Let me know down in the comments what you think. I actually hate them, but we cannot afford, nor do I want to mess with the wintertime regarding the amp research steps. So for this winter, we're gonna focus on just using these steps. I think the 6-inch oval Nerf bar is the way to go. I've had 4s, I've had 6s, some different sizes in the past, but 6 definitely fits this truck. It definitely looks good in my opinion. I like them for what they are, 160 bucks off eBay. It'll hold us over till winter, until next spring when we can get the amp research steps and we'll change the look and keep it looking high. So super excited. We're gonna see how they work. I will say they bolted on easy. Out of all of the trucks that I've ever had, this truck is the easiest to install stuff on in regards to the lift, the wheels and tires, and the steps. I showed you those pre-drilled holes. Just makes life simple. So I'm really happy with everything that we're doing with this truck. Let me know what you think below down in the comments. Make sure you like and make sure you subscribe. We will see you on the next one. Have a good day.